In other news, Nebraska's ban on gender-affirming care goes into effect this Sunday. Experts say it's still unclear what regulations for the ban will exactly look like. Channel 8's Matthew Mitleiter has more.
On October 1st, Nebraska's ban on gender-affirming care becomes law. LB 574 was heavily debated during this year's legislative session and resulted in filibusters that slowed progress for a number of other bills. Now, experts are saying that despite the bill's passing over 3 months ago, it's still unclear what exactly will be prohibited.
LB 574 does have in effect a grandfather clause. So if you are currently receiving treatment, then those treatments can remain in effect. In terms of receiving new treatment without regulations by the chief medical officer, we currently do not know what can and cannot be accessed.
Earlier this year, the state appointed its new chief medical officer, Dr. Timothy-Tesmer, an ear, nose, and throat doctor. According to the Nebraska Examiner, the Department of Health and Human Services is still working with Tesmer on developing regulations for LB 574, which then have to go through a public hearing and be approved by both Attorney General Mike-Hilgers and Governor Jim-Pillen. One thing that will be banned on Sunday is gender-affirming surgeries for minors. Beyond that, the rules covering hormones and puberty-blockers have yet to be determined. Out Nebraska says it's clear that the state is not ready for the law to go into effect.
Our community and the families in our community continue to be terrorized by this law and the lack of clarity. Folks are talking about leaving the state, and with them goes their tax dollars, their brains, their dedication to our Nebraska communities.
On Sunday afternoon, multiple advocacy groups are holding a rally at the Capitol for more information about the bill, its impact on Nebraskans, its legal implications, and moving forward. Reporting in Lincoln, Matthew Mitleiter, Channel 8 News.